On top with tori for today, Naija Presido don receive Deputy Secretary General for United Nations. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don receive Deputy Secretary General for United Nations Amina Mohammed for State House Abuja as she come deliver thank you message wey United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres wey e send give Presido Buhari sake of his correct style of leadership for Naija and West Africa. United Nations happy well for the kind way Naija Presido take the face or the katakata wey the country dey face on top climate change and some political matter, the one wey be say waka around election.
Mine was to commend him for condemning the recent loss of life of a woman in politics in Kogi State. The fact that he has shown zero tolerance for it and insisted on an investigation for us is important, especially as we start this week that looks at gender-based violence in all its ramifications.
Amina Mohammed still follow Presido Muhammadu Buhari talk on top the matter wey concern Naija people. As United Nations still ready put body for travel matter wey no clear, the one wey oyinbo dey call irregular migration. And as e be say 16 days activation don begin on top violence that na katakata wey dey affect young people for the country. She come still talk on top hate speech that na the talk wey dey waka for social media wey no clear. Say United Nations no support death penalty, but them go put special envoy and ogbonge plan to take see say them solve this matter them.
We are in a space where hate speech has reached an all-time high, and so any checks and balances that we can put into a society, into a country, into a region to bring an end to that is welcome. So again, the way that the legislation is being followed to try to put that in place, I think is commendable.
She can't talk say make better policy may dey, the one wey no go allow technology dey cause wahala for the world. Now here we see the ogbonge information reach on top with tori for today. As Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don receive Deputy Secretary General for United Nations Amina Mohammed. Sake of say she can't deliver thank you message give Presido, the one wey Antonio Guterres wey send. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una on top with tori for today. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and clear informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now, visit follow us our enter Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for T Live Media. As our website sit down gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.